filming? Yeah. And welcome to the What Rita Says Christmas special. I just got these sleeves so I could do this when I talk to you. Today I am doing something that every basic girl YouTuber has done, but I don't care. We are doing Pinterest Christmas desserts. So you can like, share, and subscribe if you have faith in me to make these things. The first thing that I will be making are Grinch Kringle cookies, and they're made out of cake batter. So it's really cool. So the second thing that I'll be making are holiday cake pop Timbits. I'm Canadian, so we don't have what you Americans have at your Dunkin' Donuts. What are they called? Munchkins? Yeah, no. We have Timbits, which are 10 times better. So without any further ado, let's get started, ladies and gents, and whoever else you are.
Okay guys, so the first thing that I did was I just bought a box of cake mix and I made it according to the box instructions. I let that sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then I split up the batter between two bowls. So in this first bowl here, I'm just doing red food coloring, and obviously in the second bowl, I did green food coloring, which I'm not showing here.
This looks like Play-Doh. It's kind of like this consistency. At first I thought I did this completely wrong. It's like a Pinterest fail video, and I'll show you guys the red one too. Looks pretty cool, right? So we're going to take our trusty icing sugar. So we're gonna have to put this all over the plate. Spread it out like a nice bed of snow. How fitting. We're gonna take the cookie, roll it into a ball, and it's really like Play-Doh, so it's pretty easy. You dust it in there, and there we go. They are probably the best thing that I've ever laid my hands on. That did not sound right. Genuinely, I was going to attempt to eat one raw, but I don't want to die today. We're gonna put this in the oven now for about 9 to 11 minutes. The next dessert that we're going to be making are the Timbit cake pops. First, you need your Timbits. I just have a few Dutchies here. You can get any type of flavor that you want. I think that these are gonna be really good because they're plain and kind of vanilla-ish. So it just came out of the microwave. It's perfectly goopy.
I know what that is.
It tastes like rich chocolate.
Yes, make sure you do that.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
You learn from your mistakes. It's fine.
Oh my god, Karina throwing out that Chinese proverb right there.
I say proverb, I think I'm saying it wrong.
Okay, so we have a problem. The chocolate is not, it's not drying. I've been holding my little cake pop.
We definitely made the
over here.
I think it's the skewer.
One, we shouldn't have used bamboo skewers. We needed real popsicle sticks. Oh my god.
I told you.
This is kind of a fail, but we're gonna see where it takes us. I feel so bad. It's really hard. It's so hard. Oh my god.
Oh, I really
Who did put the timer on? I feel so bad. She feels so bad. How's green the camera? I wasted so much energy.
It looks so good in the oven.
I think they'll still taste good. They were so pretty. Can we stop filming? Yeah. Oh my god. I didn't realize I looked like Elvis. There could be a lot worse happening. I cried. Should we do a recap? No? Okay. But we did the cake pops and they didn't get burnt. So let's show. So this is the final product.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel.
Does this look like a cookie to you? Does this look like a cookie to you? No, man. The cookies only had to be in for 9 to 11 minutes. Everyone makes mistakes, but I don't accept this. I'm not Martha Stewart, but I'm a perfectionist. This was a Pinterest fail. Stay fun, stay informed, and stay fabulous. Bye.